Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu 24.04.1 desktop edition on VirtualBox. Go to Ubuntu official website and download. Click on Get Ubuntu. See here we have desktop, server and others. Okay, select download Ubuntu Desktop or click on desktop and click on download Ubuntu Desktop. See here we have the latest version 24.04.1 LTS. It is the latest one. So click on download 24.04.1 and its size is 5.8 gigabytes. Click on download. Wait a moment, it will be downloaded. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here, its size is 5.8 gigabytes. This may take time. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download completes, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and you can install it. Click on it. Now click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. UB2404 D means desktop VM. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Okay, click on this drop down. This is the default location. If you are okay this one, it's fine. Otherwise, click on other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Go to downloads or go to the path where you have kept that ISO file. See here, I have the Ubuntu 24.04.1 desktop ISO file. Select it. Then once you select it, change it to Linux and subtype to Ubuntu version 64-bit and select the checkbox, that is skip unattended installation. Then go to hardware. Here we have to give the memory. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals to hard disk. I am going to give 100 gigabytes. It is up to you based on availability. Then click on finish. Still, if you want edit settings, right click and select settings, or select it on machine and settings, or click on this settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start to install the Ubuntu 24.04 desktop edition on VirtualBox. Click on it. The grub version. See, use up or known arrows. Select the try or install Ubuntu and hit enter. Now select language and click on next. Click on next. Then select keyboard layout and click on next. Connect to internet. Use wired connection. Next. See, an update is available for the installer. I don't want, so click on skip. It is up to you. Then select install Ubuntu. See here we have two types. Try or install Ubuntu. Install Ubuntu is the permanent. Try is temporary or testing purpose. So I want to install permanently, so select this install Ubuntu and click on next. See here we have two types of installations, interactive and automated. I am going with interactive. Click on next. Applications, default selection. If you want to install third party software for graphics and Wi-Fi, you have to select the checkbox. If you want to download and install support for additional media formats, you have to select the checkbox. It is up to you. So at this moment I don't want, so click on next. Now disk setup, I want to use, see, this is the fresh installation, so select erase disk and install Ubuntu. Then click on next. Now we have to create or set up user. See, this is the user full name and this is host name or computer name. Then this will be the username. Then provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on next. Now we have to select the location and time zone. So you can select from this globe or you can search here. Okay, I am going with my location. Then click on next. See, this is the choices that I have chosen. But still, if you want to edit any one of them, you have to click on back and you have to change the properties. I am okay with this, all the settings. Then click on install. See, installation has been started. This may take time. I am pausing this video and at the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will restart and perform the post installation steps. See, installation is completed and click on restart now. Now see here, please remove the installation medium and then press enter. So go to VirtualBox manager. See here, optical drive is empty, so no need to remove anything. But if you found ISO here, you have to click on this optical drive and click on this remove disk from the virtual drive. Then we have to come to this virtual machine and hit enter. Now click on username and provide the password that we have set. Click on next. Ubuntu Pro, skip for now and click on next. I don't want to share system information, system data, click on next. All done, so click on finish. Now open terminal. more/etc os-release. See here, we have installed Ubuntu 24.04.1 and its phone name is Numbed. Okay. So the first step after connecting to Ubuntu machine is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update ampersand sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this sudo user. Hit enter. See, updation is in progress. Type and hit enter. This may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu 24.04.1 desktop edition on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.